Miami American 113 Heavy over the shoreline for 26 left.
113 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 320 at 8. Traffic's a E170 in position. We'll be rolling here in just a second.
To land, got the wind at 113 Heavy.
PR 4288, runway 26 left, fly heading 270, clear for takeoff.
270, clear for takeoff, 26 left, PR 4288. Good afternoon, Virgin 5 Charlie Heavy.
Virgin 5 Charlie Heavy, Miami Tower, caution wing turbulence, runway 26 left, short of land, traffic 737 holding in position.
I'm 26 left, Virgin 5 Charlie Heavy.
It's a 460 Heavy, join Juliet and contact ground point A, good day.
That's a 460, Juliet, ground point A, good day.
American 2359, turn right. Taxi north on Zulu, grounds point 8.
Zulu, ground point, I switch.
Alice 26 left.
Qatari 777 Heavy, Miami Tower, number 2, caution wake turbulence, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 320 at 11.
Clear to land, 26 left, Qatari 777 Heavy.
Expo 422, turn right and join Papa, ground point 8.
Ground point and joint spot bar right, Anamingo 422.
Super, good day, 3000 feet, long final ILS 27.
I'm sorry, calling Miami Tower, verify that was airplane 090 Super.
Yes, it's Air France 090 Super.
And 090 Super, wind 350 at 7, caution wake turbulence 757, landing runway 30, runway 27, clear to land.
Poland runway 27, Air France 090 Super.
Argentina 1305 Heavy, contact departure.
Contact departure, Argentina 1305 Heavy.
American 2295, 26 right.
2295, your number 2, runway 26 right, clear land, winds 3507.
Land on 26 right, 2295.
Pueden ver, hasta una sillita tienen.
Out of 1671, flying 090 runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
090 heading clear for takeoff, 8 right, Delta 1671.
Challenge cargo 495 Heavy, runway 8 left, line up and wait.
Runway 8 left, line up and wait, challenge cargo 495 Heavy. 2 remaining, this frequency, takeoff, please.
Miami Tower, good afternoon, Avianca 006 Heavy, localize the runway 9er.
Avianca 006 Heavy, Miami Tower, wind calm, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 9er, Avianca 006 Heavy.
Runway 8 right, line up and wait. Cargo 495 Heavy, turn right 120 runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
20 heading, runway 8 left, clear for takeoff.
Sorry, 8 left, that's correct.
3K.
1671, contact departure, good night.
Okay, good day. Say 071 Heavy, fly heading 090, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Heading 090 on departure, clear for takeoff 087.
American 1161, Miami Tower, caution wait turbulence, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait. American 1161.
Flight 40, correction 20, nope, and flight 4247, Miami Tower, caution wait turbulence, runway 8 left, line up and wait.
Jet 841 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
Departure, Jet 841 Heavy, see ya.
Cathay 071 Heavy, contact departure 90 heading, good day.
Maintain this heading and departure 1945, Cathay 071.
Passenger 619 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 8 left, flighting 090, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, FedEx 619, yes.
Heavy, contact departure.
Tower, SkyQ 505 Heavy, coming up on Kilo 1.
SkyQ 505 Heavy, turn left, cross 8 left, hold short of runway 8 right.
Third cross, 8 left, and full short of 8 right, SkyQ 505 Heavy.
SkyQ 505 Heavy, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 8 right, SkyQ 505 Heavy.
Option 737, are you ready? SkyQ 505 Heavy, turn right 120, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Here, right 120, clear for takeoff, SkyQ 505 Heavy.
Can 1014, runway 8 right, line up and wait, caution wait turbulence.
8 right, line up and wait, American 1014.
No, runway 12.
Wrong under, line up and wait, 1071.
Up to 2173, continue ahead, left turn Sierra, contact ground point 8.
Sierra point 8, Delta 2173.
Victor 4293, cross runway 12, attack 28 Yankee, contact ground point 8.
PS 378, Miami Tower, car my turbulence, starting heavy 767, runway 8 left, line of place.
Line up and wait, 8 left, UPS 378.
PS 378, gain 4,000, runway 8 left, turn right heading 120, clear for takeoff.
8 left, heading 120, climb and maintain 4,000, UPS 378.
Be a 378 contact Parker.
378, good day, sir.
Tower, good afternoon. Avianca 035, holding shuttle runway 8 right.
Avianca 035, Miami Tower. Initial altitude, initial altitude, maintain 3,000 on departure, 3,000. Runway 8 right, turn right heading 120, clear for takeoff.
Heading 120, initial altitude 3,000 and clear for takeoff runway 8 right. Avianca 035. Miami Tower, good afternoon. TACA 396 on the LS runway 9.
TACA 396, Miami Tower, when clear to land, reduce your final approach speed.
To land, reduce the final approach speed, TACA 396. Miami Tower, good afternoon. This is F462 Super.
Lufthansa 462 Super, Miami Tower, runway 9, cleared to land, wind 150 at 8.
462 Super, runway 09, clear to land.
Heading clear for takeoff, 8 right, American 1599.
Miami Tower, Land Columbia 3502, final view right, round side.
Miami 3502 Heavy, Miami Tower, wind 1605. Runway 9er, clear to land.
Clear to land 09, Land Columbia 3502.
Lufthansa 462 Super, turn left at the end, taxi to the ramp this frequency.
Lufthansa 462, left at the end and maintain this frequency.
Avianca 038, cross runway 12, join Quebec, taxi to the ramp, give way to Lufthansa Super Airbus exiting at the end.
Okay, cross runway 12, join Quebec and give way to Lufthansa, Avianca 03.
Okay, 912, follow Avianca, cross runway 12, join Quebec, taxi to the ramp.
Cross 12, join Quebec, behind Avianca, Canada 912.
No, ese es creo que un Airbus A330. Qué belleza, oh my God.
Lufthansa 463 Super, fly heading 105, runway 9er, cleared for takeoff.
From the 463 Super, heading 105, we're cleared for takeoff, runway 9.
Llegamos justo a tiempo, Javier.
For 467 Mike Whiskey, contact departure. Have a good one.
Departure Mike Whiskey, so long.
Taking 939 Miami Tower. You have numbers for runway 12?
Everybody, American 939.
Taking 939, move to the left side of the pad and expect runway 12 for departure.
Left side of the pad, 12 for departure. You want us to monitor this frequency?
Taking 939, monitor 123.99.
39, American 939, come on.
For 2, runway 9er, clear to land, wind 06011.
Number 2, clear to land runway 9er, Avianca 204.
Miami Tower, repatriate 803 is with you on the visual 8 left.
Again?
Repatriate 803 with you, visual 8 left.
Patriot 803, Miami Tower, runway left, clear to land, wind 06012.
8 left, clear to land, repatriate 803.
On the 463 Super, heading 105, contact departure today. Let departure know you're heading.
Lufthansa 463 heading 105 and contact departure with the heading bar.
Runway 12, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, 12, Virgin 5, Charlie Heavy. .530 Heavy on a visual 8 left.
FedEx 530 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 8 left, wind 160 clear to land.
También a Harlingen.
FedEx 530 Heavy, we're clear to land on 8 left.
FedEx 530 Heavy, turn left on Kilo, taxi ramp.
Join Kilo to the ramp, FedEx 530 Heavy. Miami Tower, good air, Mexico 422 final for runway 9er.
Sí.
Mexico 422, Miami Tower, wind 1504. Runway 9er, clear land, traffic, Boeing 737, landing runway 12, will hold short of the intersection.
Okay, clear to land runway 9er, Mexico 422.
ABEX 2219 is ready.
Big 2019, heavy, Miami Tower, roger. 968, ground 121.8.
Roger. Tower Amerijet 722 Heavy, inbound on the visual runway 9er.
Amerijet 722 Heavy, Miami Tower, wind 1503, runway 9er. Clear land, traffic, Boeing 737, landing runway 12, hold short of the intersection.
Amerijet 722 Heavy.
Mexico 422, turn left, join Tango, hold short of runway 12, remain straight.
Left on Tango and hold short of 12, right, Mexico 422.
2219 heavy, no delay, runway 9, line up way traffic, heading 1777 on a 5 mile per hour.
Lined up in the wind, Apex 2219 heavy. Miami Tower, good evening, Lanco 1502 with Kilo established on ILS, runway 9.
So 1502 heavy, runway 9 clear land, causeway turbines, heading 1767, holding in position.
Clear land, Lanco 1502.
X2219 heavy, contact departure.
Departure 2219, yeah.
Sí, no, ese era el 77. Es un 777.
Landing runway 12, hold short at the intersection. Causeway turbulence, previous arrival to 9er, heavy Boeing 777.
Clear to now, runway 09, Avianca 004.
Yes.
Code 1502 heavy, turn left, join Tango, taxi to the eastern U, this frequency.
Via Tango to Eastern U and this frequency, Lanco 1502.
¿Qué era Bianca? De Colombia, Cartagena o Cali.
Bianca 004, you can continue all the way down to the end.
Yeah, Avianca 004.
Bianca 004, taxi to the RAM, this frequency.
Around Avianca 004.
Sí.
Good afternoon, Beta 610, Sierra to runway 9.
610 Miami Tower. Beta 610 Miami Tower, runway 9er, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 9, Beta 610.
Se llega como a las 3 y se va como a las 5:30, 6. Ah, yo no lo he visto. ¿También vienen con A380 aquí? No, British.
Viene con 747-400.
Ah, ok, no lo he visto. ¿Ah?
¿Desde qué hora estás acá?
Tendrá como
No, tenemos como
una hora.
Como una media hora, 45 minutos antes de que usted llegara.
Sí.
En el Airbus 15.
Sí, al de Lufthansa.
Sí. Llega uno como a las 5:40, casi 6, con un British Airways 747. Llega también el de British Atlantic.
El de Virgin sí lo vimos.
El de Virgin entró en la otra.
Express 610, runway 9, turn right heading 120, clear for takeoff.
Runway 9, turn right heading 120, clear for takeoff, estafeta 610.
I'm thinking it's a 300.
Envoy 3493, hold short of Papa, give way to Delta, ground 121.8.
Give way, ground point 34.
Rescue 1, roger radar contact. You're cleared out of Class Bravo airspace to the south, maintain VFR, and altimeter's 3001.
American 2289, contact departure.
So long, American 2289.
612, correction, 610, contact departure.
Contact departure, estafeta system, good day.
Oh, okay.
Miami Tower, good evening, France 090. Super, Alice 09, and then we are not less approved.
Air France 090 Super, Miami Tower, caution, wake turbulence, previous arrivals, a heavy Airbus 330. Wind calm, runway 9, clear to land.
Runway 9, France 090, Super.
Avianca cargo.
767.
Tampa 702, heavy turn left, join Sierra, and taxi to the ramp this rate.
Sierra to the ramp on your frequency, Tampa 702 heavy, have a good day. Hotel American 1071 ILS for 9.
1071, Miami Tower, caution, wake turbulence, Super Airbus 380 landing roll, wind calm, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land, American 1071.
Air 4270, contact departure.
270, good day.
5 November, Romeo, contact departure.
November, Romeo, good day.